All right, so we are going to be doing day 2 through day 6 today. So right now we're peeling back the fur. So right here you can see the adipose tissue right in this region. It's more of a clear tan looking color, different than muscle color, which would be pink.
It also contains the skin and the layers.
All right. Up here we have the pectoralis major, which would be the chest muscle, the largest muscle in this region. The external obliques would cover like this, and that helps with rotation of the what is this area? The trunk, yes. The rectus abdominis runs this way, and that helps in flexion in these ways. Sternocleidomastoid would be up here in this area, and that has to do with moving the neck. Biceps brachii. Let's see if we can't find it right in here. All right, so biceps brachii would be up here, and it would help. It would be one of the muscles to help move the arms, along with the triceps brachii, which one counteracts the other. And then the rectus femoris would be down here in the hind limbs, which is in charge of mainly moving the hind limbs. All right, let's see. On day 3, the digestive system. Okay, so as you can see, we've already taken out a lot of the greater omentum, which
it's just a layer over.
A layer of adipose tissue that covers the internal organs. Let's see. The liver, right in here, is responsible for. You can talk. The liver. Yeah. What's the liver in charge of, Jacob?
I thought it filters out.
Yes.
It does. Okay, so it filters out everything.
It produces hormones, and the gallbladder down in here performs similar functions to the liver. The stomach,
which is
right in here. As you can see, it's flattened out.
Yes.
This helps in the digestive process. This is where food meets after it goes down into the esophagus.
You can see it opened up. You can see how there's still some food broken down in there.
Right in here. That's gross. The spleen right here is basically a sac of blood that helps to fight off diseases and infections. The small intestine
leads to the large intestine, which is also down here. And
let's go ahead and take the stomach out.
It basically continues to decompose
right in here.
Food.
This is the large intestine.
Yeah.
This is the descending. This is the transverse, and over on the other side would be the ascending.
So it basically continues to decompose food, and it carries waste out into the anal, which is down there.
All right. The pancreas. Pancreas is down in this area. It helps to regulate different glucose levels. Where else are we at? All right, the trachea. We're moving on to the day 4 thoracic cavity. The trachea is right here, this little translucent ribbed area.
That's where
right here.
Food comes down from your mouth, basically. Moves down into the stomach.
All right, right here we're looking at the lungs. The thing that's different about a cat from a human is that they have 3 lobes for the lungs, or 3 on one side, 3 on the other, as opposed to us having 2 on one side and 3 on the other. The heart, right here, responsible for pumping blood to the body. It's got 4 4 different chambers. We've got the left aorta, the right aorta, the left ventricle, and the right ventricle. Excuse me, when I said aorta, I meant atrium for those. The aorta is the major artery of the body that runs right here, and the vena cava is the major vein of the body. And we have different cardiac veins and arteries that you can somewhat see on the heart. Moving on to day 5, talking about the urinary system. Let's go ahead and take the small intestines out. Let's look at the kidneys. So the kidneys are deep to the large intestines.
That's the one that we uncovered, and the other one is right about here.
Right. The kidney is in charge of filtering waste and creating urine. Let's see, the ureters run down in here through a tube.
Take the urine out of the body, basically.
You can't see it right now, but the bladder is deep in here. These 2 small areas are the testicles, because this is a male.
The bladder holds the urine until the body can get rid of it.
All right.
Can you turn it around?
I think that's all right. So here we have the small intestine. Yeah, we have the small intestine. This is the side that connects most to the stomach. This is the duodenum. Down through here in the middle would be the jejunum. I believe that's how it's pronounced. And then down at the bottom, where it connects to the large intestine, would be the ileum.
Sphincters.
The different sphincters? Okay. Go ahead. You don't know? Alright. I don't really know them either.
The sphincters, they open and close. They're like